Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine again, and I'm back. And today, my friends from EV Base, they sent me a replacement spoiler for my daughter's 2023 Tesla Model 3. Her spoiler got damaged. Not a big deal, so I'm going to replace it. And well, anyways, let's get started. I'm going to show you about it. So my friends at EV Base, they sent me this replacement spoiler. I've got a 2023 Tesla Model 3, and you know, my daughter, she got her rear spoiler damaged. Not a big deal. But anyway, so I took it off, and I've already cleaned everything off the car. Well, got the new spoiler. It came in this really nice box and everything here from EV Base, and a couple things that I like the way they ship their things now. One, here's the spoiler. I will point this out, that it seems like, because I've done a few of these now, that they're starting to put a little bit more tape on the sides, on the ends. You see there, where here they got two strips going for the top and bottom, and here is one big wide one, and it cuts down all the way in there. I really like the way that they're doing this now, because I've noticed that if any of them's going to come loose or anything, it's most likely going to be on the ends over here. Not a big deal, but anyways, this one here, I like the way they have that. They also gave me a roll of masking tape that I can use for my marking and all that kind of stuff right there. They did give me an extra roll of the tape in case I need to replace it or something. If something goes wrong with this tape that's on the spoiler right now, I have this as a backup. And this is also something pretty cool. They give you an up and down sticker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out there and I'm going to dry test this first, put this on the car. Once I know exactly which way it is, I'm going to take this sticker, I'm going to wrap it around it, so then I know when it's time for me to go put it on, I'm not going to put it on upside down. I think this is pretty genius. This is something simple. Haven't seen this before, but anyways, I got an up and down, so I know where when I get ready to take this stickers off and everything and go to put this on, I don't want it on upside down and be like, oh crap, and then have to switch it over and the sticky stuff gets on there already. But they give me this right here, and yeah, so anyways, going to go ahead and get started. I did not see in here, I didn't see any 3M adhesive promoter, but I do have some of that already. I'm going to put some of that on there just to help this going to stick a little bit better. You can always get the 3M promoter from Amazon or anything. It's real cheap for a little package of it. But anyways, I'm going to get started on this and just go out there and install this. All right, so now I got everything out here. Got her car ready. Like I said, I got all that cleaned up. I do have a couple nicks here that I ordered some touch-up paint, because this won't be covered right here. So anyways, I will have to get that repaired for her, but I got some touch-up paint coming from Tesla. That'll come and I'll fix that. But I had the rest of the stuff. You're going to need a ruler. I got my primer, because I did not see it in the box. Got their tape, and then I'm going to also tape it down here with this Gorilla tape to help hold it on there before I take it out. I'm going to keep it on there for a few days. That way I know it's going to be adhered to the car really good. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to quickly wipe this off a little bit right here. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to start doing my measuring, and I'm going to put tape exactly where it needs to go and get that all prepared. So let's do it. So now that I have it kind of sitting on here, I want to measure and go from this tip right here to the tip of this. I'm going to take that measurement, and then I'm going to check it on the other side so I know that is perfect and it's centered. So let's see what we got here to start off with. All right, now that I have it measured correctly, put a piece of tape right there. Get that lined up. I am going to put on the up and down sticker so I don't screw that up. And it just goes over like that right there. So I know this is the upside. Check my measurements one more time. On this specific one here, it's 5 3/8 on that side and 5 3/8 on that side is my two measurements that I'm doing. And now that I have that done, I'm also going to put another piece of tape right here and then put a line there so I can line that up when I'm putting it on. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my primer adhesive promoter on there. Next thing I got to do, take off the tape off the backings here. Now that I get them off, make sure I use where the sticker says up. Get those tapes pretty much. I'm just gonna go take the tapes backing all the way off. I'm gonna try to line that one up, that one up. There we go. Make sure that you push in really hard. Get a good stick on it all the way around. Hold it in there for a few minutes. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some tape right here to help hold this thing on a little bit better. All right, so this is what it looks like at the end. You can see it's on there really nice, all the way over. And that's where I was telling you about. We had a little bit of a problem, but I'm going to get some paint and fix that up. But anyways, you can see the spoiler fits on there really good, all the way across. All right, there you go, guys. Once again, this is from EV Base. Okay, if it's something that you're interested in, this is a 2023 Tesla Model 3. Okay, and I just installed the carbon fiber matte black spoiler. It's pretty easy to install. I think anybody can do it. Just take your time. Make sure you use the tape, make sure you measure, and make sure you use some kind of adhesive promoter on there. It's going to really help it adhere on there. If this is something you like, the link to it will be in the description down below. Just take a look at it, check it out, and make sure you use my discount code as well to save yourself a little bit of money. And guys, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel for more stuff like that, and be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Check you later. Bye. Peace.